Good morning, my dear students. Today we are going to start a new topic, that is nouns. Everything around us has a name. So, a noun can be the name of a person, place, thing, animal, or an idea. Nouns can be divided into two categories, proper noun and common noun. Proper nouns are the names of particular people, places, or things. For example, Simran, India, Agra. Proper noun always begin with capital letter. For example, look here. Simran. Simran is starting with a capital S. So, it is a proper noun. We can identify the proper nouns by seeing the first letter of the word. Here, common noun. Common nouns are the general names. These do not refer to anyone or anything in particular. They are the general names. For example, girls, country, city. Now, let us consider few examples to understand this topic. Here I have written common nouns. Here I have written few proper nouns. Man. Man is a common noun. And what is the proper noun? Rajesh. And it is starting with a capital letter. Woman. Woman is a common noun, and Rita. Rita is a proper noun. It is starting with a capital letter. It could be a boy and girl as well. City. City is a common noun, and Agra. Agra is a proper noun. It could be any city. Delhi, any city. Country. Country is a common noun, and proper noun is India. Language. Language is a common noun, and Hindi. Hindi is a proper noun. Language could be Hindi, English, French, any language. Common noun, day. Proper noun, Monday, and it is starting with a capital letter. It could be Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Month. Month is a common noun, and proper noun is May. Restaurant. Restaurant is a common noun, and KFC is a proper noun. Now let us consider next topic, that is your collective noun. Collective nouns are the words that name a group or collection of person, animal, or things. Basically, you can say it denotes a group. For example, a team of players. So here team is showing a group. So a team of players is a collective noun. A bunch of keys. चाबियों का गुच्छा. Here bunch is denoting a collective noun. Next is a class of students. You have seen there are many students in your class. That is why we call it a class, because there are many students in the class, in the groups. So a class of students. A flock of birds. When birds fly in the sky, आपने देखा होगा जब वो झुंड में उड़ते हैं एक साथ इकट्ठे, तो उनको क्या कहते हैं? फ्लॉक ऑफ बर्ड्स. नाउ नेक्स्ट एंड लास्ट टॉपिक we will do, that is possessive noun. Possessive means a noun that shows your ownership. It shows who or what owns something. It always has a apostrophe s. For example, the book of teacher. किसकी बुक की बात कर रहे हैं? टीचर की. तो हम इसको apostrophe s लगा के कैसे लिख सकते हैं? The teacher's book. Who is the owner of the book? Teacher. Teacher is the owner of the book. Next is the egg of the hen. So who is the owner of the egg? Hen. So we can write it the hen's egg. यहाँ देखिए हमने apostrophe s लगाया हुआ है. The bicycle of the boy. Who is the owner of the bicycle? Boy. So we could write it the boy's bicycle. So you have to learn all these types of nouns carefully, and I will send you book part of this chapter. You have to do the book part in your book with your pencils. Thank you and have a nice day.